Meaning of ideation.
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 Ideation. Ideation refers to the act of generating, developing, and communicating new ideas. It is a cognitive process that involves coming up with novel concepts or solutions to problems. Ideation can occur in various contexts, such as in business, design, or creative endeavors. The result of ideation can be a wide range of outcomes, including new products, services, or designs, as well as new ways of thinking about and approaching problems. This process requires creativity, critical thinking, and open-mindedness, and it is an essential component of innovation and progress.